Welcome back to the show. My name is Kruddy. You are watching Pree Dis, and we bring you the best in entertainment and lifestyle. And right now, we have highlights from the Big Bad Party in New Kingston, Ritz. What a team no shirt. Yo, they do something great with a venue there. Pree Dis right now.
Take a good look. Me sure something near me not the good book. No boy can't tell me some good look. A gal alone straight axe rough. Some boy a switch out the road, them can't chat to it. And we a get girl from me eye day and day. We buy we wanna liquor, we no need company. A gal alone they need me, want come to me. Them a switch out the road, them can't chat to it. And we a get girl from me eye day and day. We buy we wanna liquor, we no need company. A gal alone we need me.
Right now it's all about Ritz. You don't know Kruddy in the Billy. You watching Pree Dis. And we here with Jacob yourself. Jay, what on?
Yeah, you know me, I go and enjoy the vibe, you see me? The music are going good still. Right now, I'm good, you see me?
Oh, everything going on though. We know you blaze up the airways and all of them things. What new for come out or for supposed to look forward to?
Listen, I have a lot of new things working on with Russian. I have new tracks working on with Soko, Sean, Paul. Listen, I have a lot of new stuff coming out that everybody's going to love. I'm not going away now.
Oh, Kim in the building. Kim, what on?
None there, enjoy the party. You know, it's a going good so far, so yeah.
Oh, yeah, hot up, sir. Oh, yeah, hot up, sir. What going there, sir?
You know, them say hot parts, some have a hot up because I always hot.
Pree Dis.
Yo, big up Pree Dis, see me, big up Kruddy. Like Ritz shot dog, like shot. Kruddy, big up yourself, you see me?
Take a good look. Me sure something near me not the good book. No boy can't tell me some good look. A gal alone straight axe rough. Some boy a switch out the road, them can't chat to it. And we a get girl from me eye day and day.
No, the venue mad. Parking lot turn party. Them mad. It's a party in lot. And that's the only thing there. Long quarter and Kruddy. Pree Dis, keep it locked.
Some boy a switch out the road, them can't chat to it. And we a get girl from me eye day and day. We buy we wanna liquor, we no need company. A gal alone they need me one.
Team no shirt. Them man just not have no obedience. They just give a party on the Sunday and shell on the whole country. Where are you dealing, brother?
Yo, my day, I know. Straight, my day.
Tell me about the concept of the party, Ritz.
Yo, right now, Ritz, I know some love, some glamour. You come out and you dress nice and just come have some fun right now. I tell you, today, on a Sunday, what better day? We come out, Ritz. You don't want to hear nothing more. Easy.
What next in the pipeline?
Well, I'll tell you, Club Miami, Rum Bar Flex Week. Look out for it, Club Miami. For Rum Bar Flex Week, August 3rd. It's like a shot.
Me no want no school in a me ears. Boy, run go. Me no want no pool in a me ears. Antoinette and Charlotte for jewel in a me ears. Boy, violate. I fit I got full out of the place. Hey, you.
That was Ritz, Big Bad Party, Team No Shirt, New Kingston Youth. We're gonna do it big. Now, right now, just in case you didn't know, Pree Dis, we're showing the whole Caribbean, we're showing Canada, and we're showing New York. Now, right now, the Pree Dis team recently took it up to just fly to New York and just show you some things, whole sightseeing in New York City, Manhattan, the whole place. Right now, Pree Dis New York feature.
When I walk, I'm a Jamaican in New York. See me walking down Church Avenue with my hat leaned to
NYC, Jamaica Avenue, Queens, New York. And guess what? When I watch Pree Dis, I will make a pre all live at NYC and all Jamaica Avenue go on. Just Pree it, watch, come forward.
He's the rude boy of the day. Takes a man to
Alright, in a yard, you know how much for Invictus? About how much? About 12 grand and up for Invictus cologne. It's in a Jamaica Avenue, you can get it for $70, but you know how we do it a yard. We ball it down to $35, so $35 for your Invictus. No sir, yo, we're gonna look on some sales too, you know. On Jamaica Avenue. Yo, NYC, turn up! So one of them nice shoes, yeah, down a yard would that be about 5 grand. So with that 5 grand, I can buy 2 shoes. So I can buy a brown one with the lace, and I can buy a black one without the lace. So church and work, I like that. $20, not a bad deal. Jamaica Queens, better than yard. As I say, as a Rasta man, you have to make sure say yo, you locks them groom. You see it? So all Rasta man make sure you locks them groom. Alright then, and we're here still NYC, still pan Jamaica Ave, out there in a trendy's air place, and me say I go on, you know, start to locks them, make sure so them clean and everything. So you just prayer, no? Prayer.
That was a little bit of Pree Dis in New York City. Now we're going for another commercial break. When we get back, we have the top 10 chat. We have a lot more. So just keep it locked. You're watching the best show in the whole Caribbean.